How to install a VPS for Forex. If you trade with a trading robot, it simply needs a VPS service. In simple terms, it is a separate computer which stands somewhere in Holland, and you have access to the desktop of that computer through a shortcut on your desktop. And you can install a MetaTrader terminal, a robot, and store any files there. And everything will work the same way as on yours. But the main difference of a remote computer is that it is connected to electricity 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's connected to the internet, and it will definitely not shut down or freeze. After all, what can happen to a home computer? Anything. You could accidentally spill coffee. Oh, it was an accident. Accidental, really. A cat or a child could run across the keyboard. And after all, after a bad deal, you could end up tearing the computer to shreds yourself. No matter what happens, your UPS server will work in Zen mode. Calm, uninterrupted, and efficient. How to install a VPS? Well, first of all, you need to choose a reliable one. You can spend time, if you have it, of course, to search and choose the one you like. But I recommend trusting my choice, as already I and hundreds of my clients have been using my FOREX VPS server for several years. If you came to this video just to find out which VPS is the best, then feel free to follow the link at the bottom of the description, in the comments, and register. And if you need instructions on how to install it, how to pay for it, especially with cryptocurrency, then watch the video to the end. And for those who will watch till the end, I have prepared a gift. So, first of all, you need to choose a tariff. There are only 4 tariffs, and they differ mainly in server capacity. That is, if you want to install a lot of trading terminals, then choose a more powerful tariff. And if you just need to install one MetaTrader on VPS, then choose the tariff Solonel for $12.99. By the way, the price can be lower. I will show you how. So, click to order. Here you need to choose a period and look. If you choose a period of 12 months, the price will be only $9.99. Next, choose what kind of windows you need. For convenience, you can choose the Russian language and click next. So, we are in the shopping cart, check the data, and click checkout. Here, we fill in the necessary data and choose the method of payment. There are several ways of payment. These are Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, also the payment system PayPal, Skrill, WebMoney, Paymaster24, as well as CoinGate gateway for payment with cryptocurrencies. If you will be paying by card, enter your card details and pay as you would in a normal online store. Now pay attention. If you live in Russia, you may encounter the fact that payment by card is impossible. Then you can use the method of payment via cryptocurrency. Choose the method CoinGate, cryptocurrency, BTC, and so on, and click Refill. The payment form for cryptocurrency payment is loaded. Here you need to choose cryptocurrencies. I recommend paying with USDT. This is crypto dollar. Let's choose Tether, which is a crypto dollar, and pay with it. And now I will show you how to send cryptocurrency to my FOREX VPS service from your crypto wallet. I will do it on the example of Binance Crypto Exchange. If you already have a cryptocurrency wallet, you are good at it, then you understand how to send it. If not, then see the instructions on how to send from crypto exchange Binance. If you don't already have cryptocurrency, then be sure to watch my video on how to buy and sell cryptocurrency for rubles on the Binance exchange. Registration on the Binance Crypto Exchange is simple and takes literally a few minutes. You need to buy crypto dollars for rubles and further crypto dollars to send to the service MyForex QPS. So, go to the crypto exchange Binance, authorize and enter the wallet fiat and spot. I assume that you have already bought USDT, you have them in your account. Here I have $100, and we need to select the withdraw button here on the right. That is, we need to send cryptocurrency from our wallet to my FOREX VPS wallet. So, choose the cryptocurrency USDT. Next, we need to fill in the address field. In order to insert the address here, we need to get it on the MyForex VPS website. Here we click continue. Here we are asked to enter email, but it is not necessary. You can continue without entering email. Click continue without email, that is, without email. And then we are asked to enter the network. To transfer USDT cryptocurrency, a network is used. Networks are different, and the commission depends on it. We choose the Tron network. Otherwise, it is called TRC20. It is important to remember this network, because when we will send cryptocurrency from Binance, we need to choose the same network. So select the Tron network, click continue, and the system generates us a wallet address where we need to send money. Note that we need to send exactly the amount that is specified on this page. And also, we are given a certain amount of time for which we need to make the transfer. So, pay attention to this and authorize in advance on your crypto exchange. So, we have copied the address of the wallet where we need to send money. To check the accuracy of copying, always check the first two and last two characters of this long address. Now paste it into the Binance withdrawal field. Check the first two and the last two characters. Next, select the network. Here we select the Tron network. As you can see, TRX Tron TRC20. This is exactly the same network. Next, you need to select the amount to receive. Go back to the address of the payment gateway. Copy the amount and paste it into the output field on Binance. Note that the amount to receive is less by $1. $1 is just the commission of the network. But we need to receive the amount exactly as it is specified in the payment form. Under the amount, there is a function to change the withdrawal amount to the received amount. Click on this line or on the icon next to this line, and the amount to be received will change. That is, the commission will be added on top. As you can see, the amount has changed, and now you can click the withdrawal button. Once again, check the last time and click the withdrawal button. Confirm the operation and wait for the receipt of funds. Literally, in a few minutes, the funds will be credited. If for some reason you did not meet the deadline and still sent money, then contact tech support to clarify these nuances. We return to the payment form and just wait. You don't need to click anything here, just wait. As you can see, the form says they have recognized your transaction. It takes a few network confirmations for it to be credited, and the funds will be credited. From this point, you can already go back to the site. As you can see, the funds are credited, and our Forex VPS Solo NL package is paid. As soon as the payment is received, you will receive an email with detailed instructions on how to connect to the VPS server. It's not difficult, you just need to copy the shortcut to your desktop. And once authorized through login password, connect to your VPS server. Well, my instruction has come to an end. If you still have any questions, you can always use the knowledge base on this site. Learn in more detail how to authorize on the server, how to install several terminals, some points on payment, and other questions. Let me say a few words about the cost and savings on VPS server. I had such a story. I have a friend, he had $1,000 on his account at that time, and he decided to save on VPS server. I advised him, my Forex VPS. He calls me and says, yes, it is some expensive VPS server. I have there only $3 a month, or even less, a good VPS server. I say, well, okay. Everyone chooses the one they like. So he ends up trading, he installs the robot, he trades. And then after a while he calls me and says, you know, the server was rebooted. Something there did not load, did not turn on. And in short, he had a robot, it stopped working, and open trades were hanging. And there was just a news, or interest rate, or non-farm, I do not remember. Anyway, all his trades went into the negative. The robot did not have time to place orders. Well, because it was turned off, because he did not have time. And in the end, he lost the whole $1,000. A lot is not enough. It is different for everyone. But now just think about it. A person saved $10 to lose $1,000. Is it worth it or not? I believe that it is simply impossible to save money here. You need to use a reliable service that will work smoothly. And as promised, here is my gift. This is a bonus card for $35 to pay for your VPS for 3 months. To get the card, you just need to open an account with Markets broker and fund it with $1,000 or more. Open an account using the link in the description and write to me in Telegram to get the gift. So, now you know how to set up a VPS for Forex, how to pay for it, and how to use it. If the video was useful, please like it. Subscribe to my Telegram channel and watch my other useful videos on trading. Trade with pleasure. See you in new episodes. Bye.